In IELTS Listening, the first answer you hear isn't always correct. The test often includes corrections, changes, and small grammar clues that can trip you up. Can you catch them before time runs out? You're watching IELTS with Quizlet, quick lessons to help you feel confident on test day. In this video, you'll learn how to spot common IELTS listening traps and use grammar signals to find the right answer confidently. The IELTS test uses traps, details that sound right but don't answer the actual question. The trick is to listen carefully for the final or corrected piece of information, not just the first thing you hear. For example, a speaker might say Monday, then correct it to Tuesday. If you circle Monday, you've fallen for the trap. Always listen for the final information. Grammar words are your best allies. Connectors like but, instead, or until often signal corrections and contrasts. These tiny words can completely change the answer. So far, we've learned that IELTS listening traps often involve misleading details, and grammar cues are the signals that help you avoid them. Ready to lock it in? Tap the link for a quick IELTS practice on Quizlet, then jump back in so you can keep learning without missing a beat. Numbers are a favorite trap. If you miss a correction, you could select the wrong number. Always listen carefully and double-check when a speaker backtracks. Grammar shows up in verb tense changes too. For example, will leave versus left can completely flip the answer. Always check the tense carefully, it's just as important. Many students rush to answer as soon as they hear a possible detail. Instead, pause and wait until the grammar cues confirm the correct answer. This simple habit can prevent costly mistakes. By now, you've learned the most common traps in IELTS listening and the grammar cues that point you to the correct answer. To recap, IELTS listening often includes false starts and number changes. Watch for grammar cues like but or tense shifts to find the true answer and protect your score. Now, keep that momentum going. Tap the link and head to the IELTS Study Hub on Quizlet for practice tests, flashcards, study guides, and everything you need to succeed on test day.